Hey everyone, Dom here in the Panasonic kitchen, and in this video I'm going to talk you through everything you need to do to use the air fry mode on our NN-CD88 microwave. This is one of our most popular microwaves. It comes with its own air fry cooking mode, and it's proved really popular with our customers. If you're interested in finding out more about this microwave, do head to our online store. Links, you can see those in the descriptions down below. You can purchase direct from Panasonic and find out which microwave is right for you. So we've got our French fries here that we're going to air fry. We've got about 500 grams of French fries. We've already put them in the air fry basket here. Just make sure when you place fries in the basket that they're nice and evenly spread out. They're not piled on top of each other. You want to make sure that there's a really nice airflow around everything, so they're going to cook nice and evenly. In the microwave itself, we've already got the wire tray. Do be aware with the wire tray, you'll see that it comes with some little plastic stoppers around the top. Please don't take those off. It's really important that they stay on, again, to help with airflow whilst the air fryer is working. So now that we're happy, we've got our French fries, we've got our microwave, we're going to select the air fry mode on the control panel. We're going to press this once. It's going to turn into air fry mode. The default temperature is going to be set at 180. For the purposes of these French fries, we're actually going to choose 220 actually, we're going to do, sorry. And once you've selected that, you'll see that the temperature changes. Now you just need to change the time. And for these French fries, we're going to select 12 minutes. And that's all good to go. Another thing to be aware with air fry mode is that there's no preheat stage. So as soon as you open it up and pop the French fries in and press start, it's going to start cooking straight away. And that's what we're going to do now. So we'll open up the microwave. We're going to pop the French fries on top of the wire tray, close the door, and we're going to press the dial to start. And there we go, that starts cooking straight away. And in 12 minutes time, we'll find out how they look. So when the microwave is finished cooking and air fry mode is all done, you'll hear some beeps coming from the microwave, and it'll actually give you an option. You can open the door or you can add more time. So if you want to play around with and add a few more minutes to your cook, you absolutely can. It's no problem. In our case, we're sticking with the 12 minutes that the fries had. We're going to carefully get them out of the microwave and place them here, and you can see they look really great and are perfectly ready to be eaten. So that's it. That's how you use the air fry mode with the NN-CD88. Again, if you want any more information about this microwave, do head to our online store in the links down below. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.